Alrighty. Today I'm opening one of these My Hero. Yeah, what is it? My Hero Academia League of Villains. It's a 10 card pack, I think. Yeah. Yep, let's get into it. See what this one has. Come on. Alrighty. First edition, limited printing. See what we get. Alright. Got convenient timing. GMA takedown. Double palm. Shatter. Dark interruption. Sense of justice. Effortless movement. Cremation. Carpool to work. Tracking device. And we got the Wild Wild Pussycats. I believe I have this one, baby. Yeah. That's it. That's what I got. I think I don't have none of these except I think I do have this one though. Yeah. That's what I got from this League of Villains. My Hero Academia. All right.